how you can enable NSFW content on your Linkey Character AI app. Now this is really simple, but before I show you guys how to do that, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. Now let us just start. First, make sure that your Linkey Linkey is up to date, and after you've just logged into it, just open it up. And after you open it up, this should be the initial page. Now just tap on your icon on the top left. Now this will get you to your profile. Now after you're on your profile, just tap on the settings icon on the top right. After you do that, just scroll down till you see the option that says show NSFW content. Tap on that, and right there you need to toggle this button on. Now you will enable this option, and you'll have access to potentially sensitive content, and you can just see NSFW content on your Linkey Character AI app. It's that simple, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorial videos.